Hey makers, it's Charlotte with the Wooden Wick Co. And today I'm here to teach you how to make your own DIY tile and grout scrub using some all-natural products that some you may already have in your home and some you can purchase at woodenwick.com. This DIY could not be simpler. All you need is a vessel. You can use a tin or any other type of container, preferably one with a lid. Today I have our gold glam tin with me. You will need baking soda, some of our organic flax glycerin, a little bit of fragrance oil, and something to mix it all up. If you're making a lot of this product at once, you may want to use a scale to weigh things out. However, it's pretty easy to eyeball it because we're really going more for consistency in the product than anything else. So, first, take your vessel, take your baking soda, pop it open, and you're simply just gonna pour in baking soda until your vessel is filled up. This is gonna make a good amount of product, so we could clean a lot of bathrooms with this. And next you're gonna take your glycerin, and I'm just gonna add in the glycerin a little bit at a time until I reach sort of a chunky consistency. Think about when you're making cookies or baking something and you want it to be crumbly and mostly sticking together, but not gooey. So you don't want to add so much glycerin that this product becomes almost like a liquid or gel. You want to keep it nice and crumbly, and then when you're using the product, you can take a sponge, a little bit of water, and add it onto your grout and tile. And then you're going to want to leave it on that surface for about 5 minutes to really let it work its magic and lift some stains and gunk off of those surfaces. So the baking soda is great for helping to remove just, anything that's built up on the surface of your countertops, your grout, your tile. And the glycerin has awesome stain lifting properties. So if you've got a grout that's looking a little bit gray and old, then this combo, even though it's simple, will do a fantastic job with your products. So I'm gonna add a little bit more glycerin here. And again, I'm just kind of eyeballing this, although if you're making it in bulk, then you want to use about 90% baking soda and about 10% glycerin. So a little bit of glycerin goes a long way with this product. And again, you can just kind of stir it up. It's like, feels like we're making cookies or something. And get it into a nice chunky consistency. If you spill a little bit and you're messy, that's okay. It's a cleaning product, so if anything, it will make your work area look a little bit brighter. Once you've reached sort of a chunky consistency, now you can add in your fragrance oil. Same with the glycerin. The fragrance oil, a little bit goes a very long way. In this product, I only normally use about 0.5% fragrance oil, and that is plenty strong to make your bathrooms, kitchens, whatever area you're cleaning smell absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to add in my fragrance, and our fragrance bottles come with this little dropper cap inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the dropper cap, set it down, and that's probably too much, but I just added in a tiny amount of fragrance here and mix it up. I'm using one of our new fragrances today. It's called Chamomile Flowers and Lavender. It is super soothing and relaxing. This is the kind of stuff I want to smell when I'm cleaning. And again, just thoroughly mix the product. Note that some fragrances can rust tins or other materials depending on the type of container that you're using. So be sure to test it out if you are selling your product, just to make sure that it doesn't cause any damage to the paint on your tin. And now I have this nice white, chunky, kind of pasty product, as you can see, and my scrub is ready to go. So with that, I am done. Also, one more tip for you guys before we end the video is that you want to make sure that there's not product on the surface or on the perimeter of your lid, because otherwise it's gonna make your lid a little bit sticky and hard to open and close down the road. So make sure you have a nice clean surface on your tin, close it up, put a gorgeous label on it, or just keep it at home to make your house smell amazing and look sparkling clean. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!